Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&A Forex Traders. In this video, I'm going to break down what happened on CADJPY from the forecast that we showed yesterday, from the trade management, this trade entry, and everything else that led us to where we are right now. And right now, we are running over $3,000 in profit on CADJPY alone. All right, so sit around until the rest of the video so that you can actually see what made me take this particular trade and everything else. So let's jump into it right now. All right, so if you can remember, if you have been following, we took this trade, this forecast yesterday. We actually I shot a video yesterday on how I was able to forecast this particular trade right here on CADJPY. So check it out if you've not watched this video. It's the previous video. I'm going to link it up above right here. All right, so later on the market actually came to our area, and then we can see that. So this was for those that haven't seen the video, let me just show you. This was the forecast right here. So we wanted the market to come into this area before we can push to the upside, right? And then later on today in the morning, we had this beautiful trade that actually came all the way to our POI. After that, we were able to actually send this as a signal to our private community right here, where 7 pips stop loss and 170 pips target right there. Beautifully, right? Apart from that, the market ended up going in our direction. It was really, really amazing. So let me just show you what happened. Later on right here, we were able to go break even. Right here, we send a signal to actually go break even in our community right here. After this, the market continued to push the upside, and we continue to hold and trail the stop loss. The market continued to push the upside, and that's where we are right now. This was the last update, and then later on, the market continued to push. And right now, as I'm talking, we are currently up about $2,700. I don't know if you can see it there, $2,700 right here. And our official target is about $4,000. So you can see from here, our target was 1:21 risk reward ratio. Right now, the market is actually about 1:15 risk reward ratio, and we are facing a retracement right now, not knowing whether this retracement is going to actually take us out, drop all the way, or it's actually going to reverse from somewhere. So you can see that this previous retracement just came to this level, and then it pushed the upside, so not knowing what's going to happen on this level right here. This was a beautiful trade, guys. We were able to forecast it yesterday. Everything was shared, and if you've not watched the previous video, like I've said, kindly go and watch that video, because that video was spot on. Everything that we forecasted in that particular video came to pass. Remember, I was waiting for the market to come into this area right here. I wanted the market to come and take out this liquidity which was left behind right here, and then we had this bearish flag which was formed, which was going to cause a lot of retail traders to try and sell this particular trade as the market broke that structure. But as you can see from here, once the market broke this bearish flag right here, we saw the market coming here. We saw the market dropping to this level right here, breaking this structure, and then we pushed to the upside, and we're waiting for the market now to reverse into this area. And once the market did reverse into our area, that was our chance to actually push price to the upside right here. We entered from here, as you can see, as you saw from the signal right there. After we entered, we were able to actually just take this trade from here. The market beautifully came into our area. We took this trade, and the market has been pushing beautifully to the upside since morning. This has been amazing. So far, the market has gone about 135 pips in our target, in our profit, and now we are actually facing a retracement right here. So we'll see how this is going to react. So basically, for me, I don't want to see this low being broken. If this low gets broken, then I'm most likely going to be sure that this market is going to continue to go to the downside. Therefore, I'm going to tell the community to actually go bring their stop loss at this level right here, so that if the market decides to continue to go to the downside, we'll get out with over 100 pips in profit right here. But from the look of things, I think this market might continue to push to the upside. And so far, I'm telling you, this is amazing. I'm happy that we were able to actually forecast this, and congratulations to all of you guys that were able to catch this trade, because everything was shared right here on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, and everywhere. All right, so I really hope you caught this, because this was really spot on, and congrats to that Max managed to actually get into this trade. All right, so this was beautiful, guys. And remember, if you'd like to join us, the first link in the description gets you access to our MNF mentorship community, where you get to learn all these things plus more. All right, so you guys, until next time, goodbye.